Olá, pessoal! Did you know that the phrase excuse me has a few translations in Portuguese? Would you like to learn them? Then join me in today's lesson. In today's lesson, you will learn the possible translations the phrase excuse me has in Portuguese so that you use them accurately. Let's get started. First, if you want to attract someone's attention, especially someone you don't know, you should use com licença or its shortened version, licença. For example, excuse me, where is the exit? Com licença, onde fica a saída? Or, licença, onde fica a saída? Oh, she looks familiar. Com licença, já nos conhecemos antes? Or, licença, já nos conhecemos antes? Second, com licença, licença are used to ask politely someone to move so that you can walk past them. Com licença, obrigada, obrigada. Licença, licença, obrigada. By the way, women say obrigada, but men should say obrigado.
Com licença. Obrigado. Licença. Obrigado.
Third, if you want to tell someone politely that you are leaving, use com licença or licença. Com licença, preciso atender essa ligação. Licença, preciso atender essa ligação. Com licença, volto já. Licença, volto já. Moving on. Now let's see when we shouldn't say com licença or licença in Brazilian Portuguese. First, in Brazil, we say desculpe, desculpa, to apologize for small things, for something you have done by accident. For example, you bumped into someone. Oh, desculpe, desculpa. Or more informally, me desculpa, me desculpa. Another example. Oh, I didn't see you here. Oh, excuse me. Eu não te vi aqui, desculpe. Eu não te vi aqui, desculpa. Eu não te vi aqui, me desculpa. Me desculpa. Another example. Desculpe, desculpa, me desculpa. Moving on. Second, Brazilians say desculpe, desculpa to apologize to someone that we have disturbed or interrupted, Desculpe incomodar, mas tem um celular tocando. Desculpa interromper, mas o celular continua tocando. Third, say desculpe, desculpa before disagreeing with someone. Yes, for example, like, what? Work on Saturdays? We didn't agree on that. No. Trabalhar aos sábados? Desculpe, mas não foi isso que combinamos. Desculpe, mas não foi isso o que combinamos. Desculpa, mas não acho que seja uma boa ideia. Desculpa, mas não acho que seja uma boa ideia. Moving on. Fourth, say desculpe, desculpa when asking someone to repeat something they have said because you haven't heard it. Yes, as in, what time is it? Excuse me? Oh, I asked you what time it is. So, for example, que horas são?
Desculpa.
Perguntei que horas são. Another example.
Vai beber alguma coisa?
Desculpa?
Perguntei se vai beber alguma coisa.
Uma água com gás, por favor. When asking someone to repeat what was said, an alternative to desculpe, desculpa is o que você disse? Or como? Como? Would you like to learn other options and avoid overusing? Repita, por favor. Desculpe, desculpa. I suggest you watch that lesson. I'm positive you'll find some useful ways to ask Brazilians to repeat themselves without overusing. Repita, por favor. Repita, por favor. Thanks for watching another lesson and see you next time. But if you say repita, por favor, we are going to repeat what we said. Ciao.